Yeah, let's start now. I hope all the people came. Let's start now. Yeah, let's start. So, can you see this program? And please find out the return x, means x value. Can you find the x value here? Find x value. Find x value here. In this problem, find x value. If possible, find time complexity also. If possible, find time complexity also. If possible, find time complexity also. I is equal to 1, I power 5 less than or equal to n power 7, I plus plus. If I modulo 2 is equal to 0, right? For j is equal to 1, j power 27 less than or equal to n power 99, j plus plus, x is equal to y plus z, return x. Check properly. Yeah, check properly. Yeah, find out the x value, and one more thing is time complexity also. Let me calculate. See everyone, listen everyone now. This loop is repeating how many times? I is always incrementing by 1, but condition checking time, what happened is, condition checking time what happened is 1 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 you will check. Next one, 2 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 you will check. Continue. Some number whole power 5 is less than or equal to n power 7. Can you say what are the last number going to pass? I value is always incrementing by 1 only. So this will increment always by 1. So first I value 1 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7. I value 2 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7. Continue. So can you say which number whole power 5 less than or equal to n power 7? I think this is n power this is 7 by 5. N power 7 by 5 whole power 5, a power m whole power n, a power mn. So n power 7 by 5 into 5 cancel, n power 7. So what I want to say, right, this loop is, right, so first loop is going on n power 7 by 5 times. Check. First loop is going on n power 7 by 5 times. First loop is going on n power 7 by 5 times. N power 7 by 5 times. Next one, each I value you are trying to go inside j. But this condition will block half of the people, because I is equal to 1 modulo 2 is equal to 0, fail means you cannot go inside. I is equal to 2 pass, I is equal to 3 fail, I is equal to 4 pass. What does it mean? Half of the time only you are able to go inside. This loop is n power 7 by 5 times. Half times only we are able to go inside. Half times you are able to go inside j loop. Let's see j loop is how many times. Same story. J is always incrementing by 1. j is always incrementing by 1, but condition checking time j power 27 less than or equal to n power 99. What is the meaning? 1 power 27 less than or equal to n power 99. Same way, 2 power 27 less than or equal to n power 99. It will continue. Some number whole power 27 is equal to n power 99. What is that one? n power 27 by, sorry, n power 99 by 27. 27 cancel, 27 is cancel, 99 will be there. So second loop is n power 99 by 27. Check, right? 99 by 27. So first loop is n power 7 by 5, second loop is n power 99 by 27, right? So each time x is equal to y plus z. Remember here, whenever no bracket is there, one line only belongs to this for loop. Whenever no bracket is there, one line only belongs to this for loop. Please be careful. So each, right, listen everyone now, each I value j will repeat n power 99 by 27 time. I loop is going on n power 7 by 5, j loop is going on n power 99 by 27, right? Like that it is going on. Can you help me now? Every time x is equal to y plus z is running, every time. That is fine. X is equal to y plus z is running every time. I think to get the x value, let me write one small story here. Otherwise, we may not able to give answer. Assume x is equal to assume that, right? 0. Y is equal to something. That's okay. Z is equal to something. That is also okay. It is the current status assume, right? X is equal to x plus y plus z plus 1. Assume that something, so that meaningful sentence will come. So he is asking x value. Assume that x is 0 initially, y and z may be some garbage values. If you want, you can assign some values here also. Y 0 assume, z also 0, assume that. Initially x 0, y 0, z 0 assume. Can you help me now? Whenever this loop is going on, first time x is equal to x plus y plus z plus 1. What is the answer? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. First time, whenever this j loop is running, first time x value becomes 1. Next one x value becomes 2, next one x value becomes 3, and so on. Every time x is incrementing by 1. Every time x is 1, x plus is equal to y plus z plus 1, right? Like this. So every time x is incrementing by 1. That's okay. Can you help me? I loop is these many time, j loop is these many time. So every time x is incrementing by this much. Now it is the correct time to ask what is the time complexity. Time complexity means loops, 2 loops. First loop is n power 7 by 5. Second loop is n power 99 by 27. So inner loops multiply. It became n power 7 by 5 plus 99 by 27. Right? 99 by 27. 7 by 5 plus 99 by 27, which will goes to n power. So 25 into 27, 5 7s 35, 5 2s 10, I think 135 below, 5 27s, 27, 7, how much? 5 27, 7, 7 7s 49, 7 2s 14 plus 4, 189. Calculate properly. 27 5 99s. So 5 into 99. So what is the answer? 495. Just add total. 495, 14, 18, 684. So n power 684 by 135. Some value. Right? Don't worry anything about this calculation. So I am writing here, lack of space, I am writing here. Big O of n power 684 by 135. 135. 684 by 135. Finally, I am saying time complexity of this program, n power 684 by 135. This is the time complexity. Calculate properly. Nothing. First loop is repeating these many times. Second loop is repeating these many times. Nr loops multiply. Nr loops multiply. Do calculations properly. So multiplying base is same. Multiplication is adding powers. I added. Add properly. Add properly. So it became, right? I hope my calculations are correct. If anything wrong, please let me know. Right? So this is going to be 189 plus 495 by 135, which will goes to n power 684 by 135. So this is the time complexity. I am okay. But see the value. Value is some tricky. Listen everyone now. Value is some tricky. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Value is some tricky. Just I am removing all the things. I am removing all the things. Assume always x is equal to, that is incrementing by always 1, assume. It is a really nice problem. That is the reason I am saying this one. It is a really nice problem. One time listen. One time listen. Whatever possible you done. Whatever possible you done. Whatever possible you done. That's fine. See the value now. See the value now. Assume that x is always incrementing by 1. Assume x is always incrementing by 1. Can you help me now? Listen, I value 1 you cannot come here, but I value 2 you can come. See this one. I value 2 you came inside j loop. Can you help me now? J loop is how many times? I value 2 you came inside j loop. I value 2 you came inside j loop. J loop is repeating how many times? J loop is repeating how many times? Is n power 99 by 27 times. J loop is repeating n power 99 by 27 times. J loop is repeating these many times, right? I value 2, J loop is repeating these many times. Every time x will increment by 1. Every time. Suppose J loop is repeating 10 times, x value become 10. J loop is become 100 times, x value become 100. After completion of this one, I is equal to 2. J loop is repeating n power 99 by 27. So how many times J loop is repeating? These many times. Every time x will increment by 1. After completion of the J loop, right? You don't go to next I. You will say return x. You will say return x. What is the meaning? You don't need to go to the next I value. So x value is nothing but, remember, x value is nothing but big O of n power 99 by 27. Return is there. Return, see, I value 2, J loop is running n power 99 by 27. After completion of this one, return x. Return means program over. Return x means program over. So J value becomes like this. And one more, remember, time complexity also. This loop is these many times. This loop is these many times. There is a return. What is the meaning? I value 2, J will execute fully. I is equal to 2, J will execute fully, return. What is the meaning? I think this loop will execute one time only, because there is a return. But this loop will execute fully. So time complexity without return is this much. Time complexity without return this much. With return, this itself is time complexity. This itself is value. With return, this itself is time complexity. This itself is value, because return there, right? So listen everyone now. This is the time complexity. This is the value also. This is the time complexity. This is the value also. Without return, return not there. This is the answer. Return not there. This is the answer. Return there. This is the answer. Return there. This is the answer. So careful. With return answer is going to be n power 684 by 135. I am repeating once again. Without return, n power 684 by 135. Time complexity also, value also. With return, time complexity value is n power 99 by 27. N power 99 by 27. So please careful. Without, listen everyone now. Without return, answer is n power 684 by 135. with return answer is n power 99 by 27. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Check anyone having any doubt. Any doubt is here. Any doubt? So it's very difficult question. Please be careful. There is a return. Return will do wonder. Return will do wonder. Without return answer, n power 684 by 135. Without return, n power 684 by 135, value also, time also. With return, n power 99 by 27. N power 99 by 27. Very less people can do this. Very less people. This problem, very less people can do this. This problem, very less people can do this. So please, if you can catch this one, you are absolutely fine. If you can catch this one, you are absolutely fine finding time complexity. Right? Fine. I'm thinking you are okay. Can anyone help me? What is the answer of this problem? Can you guess what is the answer of this problem? What is the answer of this problem? Can you help me? What is the answer of this problem? If you do like this. Yeah, what is the answer of this problem if I do like this? If I do like this, what is the answer? If I do like this, what is the answer? See this one. See everyone, loop is, I think, see, for loop is there, right? For the for loop, brackets are there. What is the answer for this? For the for loop, brackets are there. For the for loop, brackets are there. What will be the answer? For loop, bracket is there. What is the answer? Listen everyone now. I value 2, you will come inside the J loop. I value 2, you will come inside J loop. That condition is true. Inside J loop you will come. J loop, listen everyone now. J loop want to repeat n power 99 by 27. It want to repeat. I want to repeat n power, I want to repeat n power 9 by 5. Sorry, 7 by 5. I loop want to repeat n power 7 by 5. I loop is want to repeat n power 7 by 5. J loop is repeating n power 99 by 27. That's fine. But what happened is, I is equal to 2 when you come inside J loop. Whenever J loop is going on, J is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to this condition true. This will execute. This also execute. This also execute because there is a bracket now. If bracket is there for every bracket, first also, second also. What is the meaning? Each I value, I have to execute this also, this also. But each J value, I have to execute this also, this also. When J is equal to 1 running, there is a return. What is the meaning? J is equal to 1 itself, return will execute. What is the meaning? This loop is one time. This loop is one time. This loop is also one time. I think, see, remember the time complexity of this program. The time complexity of this program is going to be order of 1. Time complexity also, value also order of 1. Both are 1. Both are 1 if bracket is there. If bracket is there, both are 1. I loop also one time will execute. J loop also one time will execute. Then both will take 1 into 1. So time complexity value becomes 1. Time complexity value becomes 1. Some people are not bothered about return. It is a serious problem. Some people not bothered about return. It is a serious problem. It is a serious problem. If anyone don't bother about return, after GATE exam you will bother. If you don't bother about the return, right, after GATE exam guarantee you will bother. If you don't bother about return, after GATE exam guarantee you will bother. Some people, they don't care in the GATE exam return. After GATE exam, right, you will definitely bother about that. So please take care. Rupam, please take care. Rupam, please take care. If you don't bother in the exam, after exam you bother about return like anything. So 3 problems I discussed. 3 problem inside the J loop, right? Brackets are there 1. Brackets are there 1. Bracket not there. Then answer is going to be n power 99 by 27. If return not at all there, n power 684 by 135. So 3 different problems. Please. This problem, if anyone can handle this problem, if anyone say CSE branch is so easy, ask them, right, give this problem and ask them what will be the time complexity, what will be the value. If anyone say, right, this problem is so, if anyone says CSE branch is so easy, give this problem and ask them, please solve it. They don't talk to you further. If anyone give this problem, they will ask, so I'm not getting. If anyone say CSE branch is so easy, give this problem and ask them, try to solve. They never talk to you again. Trust me, they never talk to you. Yeah, can you come to the next problem? Yeah, this also very dangerous problem. Can you check once? This also very dangerous problem. Can you check this also? This also very dangerous problem. Can you check once? Hello Sumya, how are you? How are you? What is the answer for this problem? Yeah, I will give the answer. Whatever you done, it's fine. I will give answer. Whatever you done, it's fine. I will give the answer. Let me try. Let me try the answer. Let me try the answer one time. Let me try. See everyone now. This loop is, see this one. I is starting from n by 2. I is starting from n by 2, but I is always incrementing by 1. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. It will repeat n by 2 times. I is right. I starting point is n by 2. Every time incrementing by 1, it will repeat n by 2. So j is always multiply by 2 log n. It is a log n. So k is equal to k plus n by 2. K is equal to k plus 1. And one more thing is return is there. See, return there but no bracket. What is the meaning? I think each j value until here only it will run. Because lack of bracket, for loop will take only one statement. So j loop will take only one statement. Now can you help me now? Each I value j will execute. Each I value j will execute. I think I repeating n by 2 time. Right, j repeating log n time, both combinedly n by 2 log n time. Both combinedly will repeat n by 2 log n. Both combinedly will repeat n by 2 log n. Let us assume that. Right, let us assume that this is executing first time. Then what is the answer? If it is executing first time, k value 0, first time 0 plus n by 2. What is the answer? N by 2 first time. Second time n by 2 plus n by 2. What is the meaning? 2n by 2. What is the third time? 2n by 2 plus n by 2. 3n by 2. So every time, right? So n by 2 incrementing. Every time n by 2. So if I do 3 times n by 2 came. If I do this one, 100 times, 100 n by 2 will come. 100 n by 2 will come. If I do 100 times, if I do this one 100 times, 100 n by 2. If I do this one n by 2 log n time, what is the answer? N by 2 log n time n by 2. If I do 100 times n by 2. If I do n by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n into n by 2, which will goes to n by 2 becomes n by 4, n square by 4 log n, which is nothing but n square log n. So k value, lastly returning k value, n square log n. B is the answer. B is the answer. B is the answer. B is the answer. Aman saying, how are you? Aman saying, how are you? Aman, I am fine. Aman, I am fine. How are you? Aman, right, I am fine. How are you? Aman, I am fine. How are you? So I loop is n by 2 time, j loop is log n time, both combinedly n by 2 log n. Both combinedly n by 2 log n. Suppose that k is equal to k plus n by 2 will run first time, then 1 time n by 2, second time 2 times n by 2, third time 3 times n by 2. If at all this statement executing 100 time n by 2. Actually it is repeating n by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n into n by 2, which will goes to n square by 4 log n, which will goes to n square log n. Right? Fine. I'm thinking you are absolutely fine. Right? Let's go to next problem. Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity of this program? This is the value. This is value. Can you say what is the time complexity? Time complexity means we don't bother what you are adding. Time complexity means we don't bother what you are adding. Loop is how many time? Time complexity means loop is how many time? Time complexity means loop is how many time? How many time? N by 2 log n time. Time complexity is this one. What is the answer? N log n. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. Value is n square log n. Time complexity is n log n. Value is n square log n. Value is n square log n. Time complexity n log n. Value is n square log n. Value is n square log n. And one more. Everyone listen. And one more thing. Can anyone help me now? One more thing. Please give answer to me. One more thing. Can anyone help me now? Any effect of this return? Here, any effect of this return? In the previous problem, there is a effect. Previous problem, listen. In this problem, if you see return, this return, inside if, this return is there previously inside if, not inside j, but it is inside, right, if. I am repeating once again. This return is there in this problem inside I, not inside j, inside I. But here if you observe, this return is there out of j also, out of I also, no effect. This return is there out of I also, out of j also, no problem. If listen, return is not part of I, return is not part of j, no problem. Be careful. Take care all the things in the exam only. Return is there outside of all. How many people will go? Suppose if I keep bracket for the j, if I keep bracket like this, what is the answer? For the j, if I keep bracket like this, what happened is, right, I value n by 2, you will come inside j value 2, you will come inside, k is equal to k plus n by 2, return k. If I keep the bracket here, right, I think I value n by 2, j value 2, you will come inside, you will stop immediately. Then time complexity becomes order of 1. Because I will execute 1 time, j will execute 1 time, then time complexity becomes 1. Can you say what is the value? Value. Time complexity 1. But what is the value? Time complexity 1. But what is the value? No. Right? Time complexity is 1, but value is k is equal to k plus n by 2. 1 time you are already done. K is equal to k plus n by 2. 1 time, k value already 0. 0 plus n by 2. 1 time you done, n by 2. At that time value becomes n. At that time value becomes n. Time complexity 1, time complex means loops. Loop executed one time only. But value is n. Value is n by 2, time complexity 1. So if these brackets are there, if this bracket is there, if bracket not there, time value is n square log n, time complexity n log n. If this bracket is there, time complexity 1, value n. Right, perfect. Let's go to next. I think it is a very danger. Please take care. I want time complexity. I want value also. Both I want. Can you try this? I want time complexity and I want value also. Can you check once? So what is the answer for this? Check properly. Small mistake if you do also, wrong answer will come. Small mistake if you do also, wrong answer will come. Can anyone help me? First loop is how many time? First loop is how many time? Second loop is how many time? Can you do this? First loop is how many time? Second loop is how many time? Can you help me now? I is equal to n by 2. Listen, I is equal to n by 2. Right? Always you are incrementing by double. If it is n by 2 into right, n by 2 into 2, it became n. Remember, in the two rounds only, it will be vanish. I value n by 2 will run. Next I value n. N less than or equal to n also true. Further fail only 2 times. I loop is only 2 times. J loop is normal log n time. If anyone done mistake, please take care. I loop is 2 times only. J loop is log n time. I loop is 2 times only. J loop is log n time. Can you help me now? These two loops combinedly will run how many time? These two loops combinedly will run how many time? 2 into log n, 2 log n. 2 log n. So time complexity log n. Time complexity log n. Time complexity log n. Time complexity log n. Not n log n. Not n log n. Log n. Log n. Ranjan written n log n. Ranjan written n log n. Not n log n. Careful. Time complexity log n. Now can you help me now? Time complexity log n actually 2 log n. Time complexity actually 2 log n. I value, listen, I value n by 2. I value n also. I is actually 2. I value n by 2. I value n also 2 times, but j loop is log n time. Totally loop is executing 2 log n time, asymptotically log n. That's fine. Now listen. Each I value, j value, you will come inside k. Only one statement belongs to k. Can you help k value first time? I think k is 1. First time k value 1 into n by 2. First time k value 1 into n by 2. Second time whatever there into n by 2 again. Second time n by 2 into n by 2. Third time n by 2 into n by 2 into n by 2. This is the third time. Can you help if at all third time is like this one, 100 time n by 2 whole power 100. Right? If at all 2 into log n time, what is the answer? N by 2 whole power 2 log n. 2 log n time, n by 2 log n. N by 2 log n. Remember, in the power constant also matters. Remember, in the power constant also matters. N by 2 whole power 2 log n. N by 2 whole power 2 log n. If you repeat the 100 time, n by 2 whole power 100. If you repeat 50 time, n by 2 whole power 50. If you repeat 2 log n time, n by 2 whole power 2 log n. Check one time. Right, exactly. So this is the answer. Please take care. If anyone done small mistake, can you rectify? Time complexity log n, value is n by 2 whole power 2 log n. Time complexity log n, value is n by 2 2 power log n. Array. Alok Kumar saying that how power came? Alok Kumar is saying that how power came? Alok Kumar saying how power came? Alok, how can you talk, man? After doing this much story, Alok Kumar is saying how power came? Just see once. Listen once. So k is equal to k into 1 by 2. If I execute one time, 1 into n by 2. If I execute one more time, whatever there into n by 2. If I execute one more time, n by 2, right? Whatever is there again into n by 2. So if I do 3 times, n by 2 3 times. If I do 2 times, n by 2 2 times. If I do 1 time, n by 2 1 time. If I do 100 times, n by 2 100 times. If I do, right, n by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n. Like that came. Alok, like that it came. Right, perfect. Thank you so much. So my favorite slide came. This is my favorite slide. This is my favorite one. My favorite slide is came. This is my favorite one. See, 30 31st, Unacademy 20. Sorry, unlock 20, 30 31st, unlock 20. So 20% off. If anyone want to join in Unacademy, this is the best option. Use it. Reddies are live. You can use this. This is the better option. So if anyone want to join, use this code. Reddies are live. Right? Get the 20% discount. This is the better option. If anyone want to join for, right, 2023 gate exam, 2023 gate exam, 24 gate exam, please use this one. Please use this code. Get the 20% discount. If you are Iconic member, you will get personal coach, personalized test analysis, study planner with bi-weekly reviews. Subscribe now. Yeah, I think this is already done. Right, so Unacademy combat is there next Sunday. Please take care, right, so that you will get the maximum discount if you get the maximum marks. Next one, for 2024 there is a one batch starting, Ascend batch, on Feb 2, right? You can join in that batch. For 2023 one more batch is starting, Evolve, right? So Feb 2 onwards, take care. Right, next one, 2023 Spark batch is starting for 2023. So I am starting TOC. Morning 6 o'clock, 6 a.m, right? TOC is starting. 2023 batch, you can join in this batch using the code REDDYSARLIVE. If you are planning to 2023 or 24, my sincere advice, you can join as soon as possible. There is one more batch, Vero batch, for 2024, right? In that also, right? So TOC is starting, you can join in that batch also. There is a foundation course class also there for 2024, you can join in that also. Yeah, can you help me? What is the answer of this? Someone is saying, please say my name. Please say my name. Someone is saying, please say my name. Arey Vandita, your name is JRF, right? Vandita, your name is JRF. How your name changed? Yeah, someone is saying, what is the answer of this? Many people asked me, so I want to try once. Many people asked me, see this one, using recursive tree method. Left side is n by 5, right side is 7n by 10. But it will take C. Next level 2C. Right? Next level is 2 square C. Everyone know. It will continue. So maximum how many will come? Log n base 10 by 7. This side is log n base 5. Comparing log n base 5, log n base 10 by 7, log n base 10 by 7 is bigger. Let's take upper bound. Then it will become, what is the answer? Upper bound I am taking. Then it will become, right? So C common, 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and so on, 2 power log 10 by 7. Log n base 10 by 7. So which will goes to GP series formula. What is the answer? C into, that is okay, 1 into 2 power log 10 by 7 log n base 10 by 7 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Forget about small thing. If you see the function, right, it became big O of 2 power log n base 10 by 7. N will come down, 2 will go up, it will goes to n power log 2 base 10 by 7. Whatever it is, this is the answer. Answer is n power log 2 base 10 by 7. This is the answer. Answer of this one is T of n is equal to big O of n power log 2 base 10 by 7. Whatever it is, this is the answer for this. N will come down, 2 will go up. So n power log 2 base 10 by 7. Right. So I think right, people got this one. Can you go to the next one? I think this problem I already explained. If anyone don't know, can you go through it one time? This problem I already explained. If anyone don't know, please go through it. This one I already explained one time. This problem I already explained one time. If anyone don't know, please go through it. Yeah, can you check this? What is the answer for this? So we done many times. So let's check here. Let's check. Let T be a minimum spanning tree of a graph G. Then for any two vertices U and V, the path from U to V in T is the shortest path from U to V. So you want to say, right? You want to say, if you want to find out between two people, minimum cost, right? U to V, minimum cost. If you want to find out, you want to say that first to construct the MST. In the MST U to V, whatever cost is there, that is the shortest path cost from U to V. No. If anyone say this is true, you are indirectly saying that shortest path algorithms are not required. You are indirectly saying minimum cost spanning tree is there, you will get the shortest path. No. Right? Minimum cost is different, shortest path is different. Minimum cost spanning tree means to cover all the people what the minimum cost needed, but the shortest path is different. So if anyone say this is true, indirectly you are giving signal, right? Using minimum cost I can find out shortest path also. No, otherwise we will study only one algorithm, we will study two algorithms. And one more thing, so many, listen, in the given graph so many edges are there, so find out average edge weight first. Graph contains so many edges, find out the average edge weight, assume that is AG. Graph contains so many edge weights, take all the edge weights, add them, divide by total number of edges, then you will get the average edge weight. Assume that average edge weight is AZ, then when you construct MST for the given graph, you will take only n-1 edges. So n-1 into AG is the MST cost at max. MST cost at the max is n-1 into AG is saying no relation. You cannot keep unnecessary relations. There is no relation like that. Anything can happen. First of all, who said to you to find out AG? Okay, you find out. You have enough time. You don't have any work. You find out AG. It's okay. Not only finding AG, you are keeping some condition also on the MST. Who are you to do this? Whatever you want, you are calculating. You are keeping whatever condition you want. How can you keep whatever condition you want? If that is the case, I will do whatever I want. I will keep one more condition. There is no relation at all. Don't keep unnecessary conditions. First, who said to you to calculate AG? You calculated because you don't have any work, you calculated. How can you say MST cost is n-1 into AG is at the maximum? How can you say this? How much dare you have? So there is no relation at all. You don't have any work, you done some calculation. You are keeping some conditions. Right? Please be careful. So 1 and 2 both are false. Which of the above statements are false? C is the answer. C is the answer. Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 false. If MST itself is giving shortest path, then why 2 algorithms? I don't have any work or what? Means Dijkstra's don't have any work. Bell-Manford don't have any work. If whatever MST doing, right, minimum, whatever MST doing, right, shortest path also doing same. Then what the Dijkstra is done? What the hell Dijkstra is done? What the hell Bell-Manford is done? Why they spoiled our life? I used to teach 3 or 4 days. Bell-Manford and Dijkstra's, I used to teach 3 or 4 days. Why they spoiled my life? Why they spoiled your life? Why they spoiled CSE people life? Why they spoiled CSE people life? We all can file a case on them. If that is true, if anyone say first statement is true, we all CSE people can file a case on them. We can file a case. What the hell they done? Already MST doing what they done. So please be careful. Please be careful. Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this problem also? If all states of N of A are accepting state, then the language accepted by the N of A is sigma star. Sigma star, it is a sigma star. In the N of A, all states are final state, then N of A accepting everything. No, this is true in the case of D of A. This is true in the case of D of A. First statement is true in the case of D of A. N of A not true, but D of A true. D of A true. N of A not true, D of A true. D of A true. And one more thing is DPDA also true. DPDA also true. In the DPDA, change final to non-final, non-final to final. You will get complementation. Almost DPDA also same. DPDA also same. Right? It is true in the DFA and DPDA also. Not NPDA, DPDA. Right? Fine. Next one. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. You want to say that there exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, see this one, fix one regular language here. Fix one regular language intersection B. This you can change. Keep whatever you want here. Overall becomes regular. You want to say there exists a one regular language A such that, right, A intersection B becomes regular for every B. Whatever you want, you can keep here. I think I can keep, see this one, I can keep here A power n, B power n. I can keep here A power n, B power n. I can keep here A power n, B power n. Right? Still regular will come. How? I think this one you can write pi. This one you can write pi. Pi intersection a power n b power n is pi, which is regular. This one keep pi, you do whatever you want here. A plus b whole star, right? It is going to be pi. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. Which one of the following is true? Right? So some people are asking, what about infinite language? Infinite language, it may not work. If you want, you can check. Try. Infinite language, you can check. Finite language, it is always true. Infinite language need not be. I tried also. Infinite language need not be. You can check also. Answer is only be true. Finite language guarantee. Infinite language no guarantee. Yeah, this also, can you see this? I think this problem also somewhere we done. Can you verify? Yeah, so this problem, see this one. So I don't want to explain, but it is coming because this DAG question will come again and again. Please take care. DAG question will come again and again. Please take care. Anywhere DAG problem will come, please try to solve. Right, now listen everyone. Here so many plus there, so many minus there. Here so many plus is there, so many minus is available. So many plus, so many minus. Remember, plus and minus operator both may cancel. So you do like this. Listen, so many plus, so many minus there, right? And one thing what you have to do, first check. See this one. B plus C, right hand side, go to the assignment operator, go right side. At anywhere B plus C as it is, yes, there. At anywhere B plus C as it is, there. But the problem is, this B plus C may not be same because in between C updating. This B plus C looks like same, but they are not same because this C updating. So you cannot consider it as both are same. Please be careful. And one more thing, see this one. These two are not same, it's okay. And one more thing, see this one. See everyone. One more thing. Anyone else? Anyone like that? Exactly same. Two people. I tried, they are not same because there is some modification here. Right. That is fine. Now see the next one. So directly no one is same here. Let's see indirectly. Directly no one is same, let's see indirectly. Because the plus minus is there may be a chance of cancellation. So what you do is, listen, so while substituting, substitute like this. What is the meaning? See this one. A is equal to E plus B. Replace E by, what is the answer? D minus B. Replace E by D minus B. E by D minus B plus B already there. Both cancel. It will goes to D. So from this, the conclusion what I got is A is equal to D. This is the conclusion. From this, the conclusion what I got is A is equal to D, because B cancel. So A is equal, what is the meaning of A is equal to D? Whatever D, that is A. Whatever is D, that is A. Please be careful. Please be careful. So directly there, that is the one minimization, but not possible here, because both are not same. It is indirectly you should do like this. Okay, fine. Let's see the next one. So these two cancel, it's okay. These two cancel, it's okay. Now see one more thing. See one more thing. Everyone listen, see one more thing. I substituted this one to here, I got it. That's okay. And one more thing, see this one. One more thing, everyone listen. E goes to D minus B, E goes to D minus B, E goes to D minus B, right? In the place of this also you can do. Let me check here. E equal to D minus B. See, when you are substituting, substitute like this. Substitute like this one. See, E goes to, E is equal to D minus B. Replace D by D possibility. What is the answer? Replace D by D possibility. What is the D possibility? B plus C. B plus C. Already minus B there. Both cancel. So it will become E is equal to C. So finally E is equal to C. What does it mean? Whatever C, E also same. Whatever C, E also same. Please be careful. From this I got one conclusion. From this I got one conclusion. From this I got one more conclusion. You no need to go further. You no need to go further, because if I go further, there is no cancellation. If you go further, there is no cancellation. If you go further, there is no cancellation. Right? I think this is the conclusion. Right? So see this one. I went from here because it is a plus there, it is a minus, both may be cancelled. I started from here also because it is a minus, afterwards plus will come. I started. But here no need to go, because if you go further, no use. Nothing will cancel. Nothing will cancel. Now see, now after all minimizations are done, see this one. Whatever D, that is A. Whatever is C, that is E. Please be careful. Now I am drawing the diagram. While drawing the diagram, draw diagram like this. While drawing the diagram, draw from the top. I am starting. See everyone now. B plus C. B plus C is, what is the name? B plus C is A. B plus C is A. Next one, B plus C is A, that's okay. Next one, A plus D. A plus D is equal to C. A plus D is equal to C. That is also fine. A plus C is equal to, right? Sorry, A plus D is equal to see everyone now. A plus D is equal to C. That is also fine. That is also fine. Now listen. So until now you are comfortable. This line over, this line over. Right? Both are fine. Until now fine. Now listen one more thing. Listen one more thing. So these two lines over. Listen one more thing. Right? Careful everyone now. Careful everyone now. D is equal to B plus C. D is equal to B plus C. D is equal to B plus C. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? This is B. This is C. D is equal to B plus C. D is equal to B plus C. D is equal to B plus C. That is also I done. This is D. Right? Third one also completed. Third one also completed. Now from now onwards, please be careful. Now onwards, please be careful. Listen everyone now. Whatever D, that is A also. Next one. Whatever C, that is E also. So no need to do anything. So this is the answer for this. Whatever D, that is A also. See this one. Whatever A, that is not D. Whatever D, that is A. Whatever C, that is E. Please be careful. So from this, listen, from this the conclusion what you got is, whatever, right? Whatever, see this one. Whatever D, that is A. Something like that. From these two, we got one conclusion. From these two, we got one conclusion. What is the conclusion here? Whatever D, that is A. What is the conclusion here? whatever C, that is E. This is the conclusion. Just I used it. These two lines no need to go further. These two lines no need to go further because they are already there. So finally, if you observe 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 6 nodes. And the edges also check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So I think 1 is the answer. So please careful, please interpret properly. Whatever D is A, whatever C is E. Please be careful. Please be careful. See this one. While drawing the diagram, draw from top. While drawing the diagram, draw from the top. While substituting, substitute here. Why I am substituting? I am thinking something will cancel. I am thinking something will cancel. That is the reason I am substituting. See, plus minus can cancel. Minus plus can cancel. But further no need because there is no cancellation further. There is no cancellation further. There is no cancellation further. Whatever is A, not D. Whatever is D, that is A. Please careful. Otherwise you may give wrong answer. Whatever is D, see assignment, assignment. A is equal to 10 means, 10 will go inside A. A will not go inside 10. A cannot go inside 10. 10 will go inside A. Whatever D, that is A. Whatever C, that is E. So please take care. So someone mentioned, Kiran said, I think Kiran. Someone said for this problem, I think 4th option. Someone is saying answer is 4. Someone said answer is 4. Those people who got answer as 4, please let me know. You can ping me personally also. How you got 4th option. Please ping me if you feel personal. If you feel actually your answer is correct, you can ping me and you can say to me. If anything is positive, I will consider. Right? Fine. If you felt, right? So Kiran, if you think that your answer is correct, please let me know. I will see if anything is wrong. Right? Fine. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this problem? What is the time complexity of this problem? See, some subtraction plus their substitute. Subtraction plus is their substitute. Multiplication and division their substitute. Suppose all are same, no need to substitute also. If you felt no cancellation possible, no need to substitute also. If you think nothing will cancel, no need to substitute also. If you think nothing will cancel, no need to substitute also. Right. Now see this. One. See everyone. If condition, no need to check also. Because see this one. No function call, no loop also. Constant. If actually not required, because if is anyhow constant only. Now listen. F of n time complexity Tn, if you assume f of n time complexity Tn, if you assume f of n by 2 time complexity Tn by 2, f of n by 2 time complexity Tn by 2, f of n time complexity if you assume Tn by 2, right? f of n time complexity if you assume Tn, f of n by 2 Tn by 2, f of n by 2 Tn by 2. Okay, recursive calls you are already taken care. After recursive calls are over, check remaining thing. Any loop? No loop is there. So remaining people will take constant time. Total it will become 2Tn by 2 plus C, because no loop is there. Just take care function call. Don't see before, don't tempt also. Some people are writing 5Tn by 2. No, don't tempt like this. Don't see before, don't see after. Function calls you take care. Afterwards check any loop is there. No loop is there. Just write plus C. Just write plus C, which will goes to using master theorem, which will become theta of n. Apply master theorem. Theta of n you will get. Just apply master theorem, you will get theta of n. Can you help me? What about this? What about this? Yeah, I think same way. This is Tn, this is Tn, this is Tn minus 1, this is Tn minus 2. Remaining no work constant, which will goes to overall, Tn minus 1, Tn minus 2 plus C. So if you do n times, it will become GP series C into 2 power n, order of 2 power n. Upper bound is 2 power n, upper bound is 2 power n, upper bound is 2 power n. Yeah, it's a nice problem. Can you go ahead this problem also? Can you go ahead this problem also? I don't know what is that story. I don't know what is that story. Vandita, I didn't remember. Yeah, what is the answer of this problem? Arrange the following functions in increasing asymptotic order. Arrange the following function in the increasing asymptotic order. I think everyone know, this is exponential. This is also exponential. This is 1.001 whole power n, but this is 2.71 whole power n. I think this is bigger. Be bigger. See, be bigger. Everyone be bigger. This person, kill him. Get out. Right? So see this one. Right? B going to be e power n 2.71 whole power n. but it is 1.001. Both are exponential, but this is the bigger exponential. So, right, first larger should be B. No, not E, not E. Please be careful. That is the first one. Now, I think second place going to be E. Fine, perfect. Second place is E, that is also okay. So, these people are already completed. Now, let's come to the next one. This is n power 0.333 like that. This is n power 1 point. Right, 4 ones 4, remaining is going to be I think 3, 4 sevens 28, remaining is 5, I think 2, right, 20, I think 4 5s 20. I think it is a n power 1.75. Comparing these two people is bigger, it's okay. But what about these two people? What about these two? Let's check. N into log n whole power 9 is one side, n power 1.75 is one side. Who is bigger? N into log n whole power 9 one side, n power 1.75 one side. Who is bigger? This can be written as n power 1 into n power 75. So n cancel. This is log n whole power 9. This is n power 0.75. So it is a polynomial, it is a logarithmic polynomial bigger. It is the polynomial, it is the logarithmic, right? So polynomial is bigger. Still, if you have doubt, you can apply log this side, you can apply log this side. If you apply log left side, it became 9 log n. If you apply log right side, it became, so if you apply log left side, 9 into log n, 9 into log n. If you apply log right side, 0.75 into log n. Forget about constant. One side log n, one side is log n bigger, same. So right, so I think option C and option D, I think C bigger. So next one should be C. So this cannot be. Right, afterwards next one should be C, that is fine. C also completed. Now the fighters are going to be A and D. A is n power 0.33, right? I think D going to be n into log n whole power 9. Who is bigger? So I think this is very simple. This n can be written as n power 0.33 into n power 0.33. I think what is the answer? 33. Is it 73? Yeah, whatever is left out. What is the left out part? 0.67, I think some 67 into log n whole power 9, right? Log n whole power 9. I think nothing. This one cancel. He became bacha 1. He became n.067 log n whole power 9. Log n whole power 9. I think what is the need of doing also? Directly is n. I think I done something unnecessary work. This is n, this is the n power 1.6. Directly you can say. Who is the bigger? I think D bigger. Next one, A bigger. Actually not required. A and D directly you can say. So B cancel. So A is the answer. Check properly. Don't apply blindly log. Worst case you can, last place you can apply log. Right? Fine. Answer for this problem is A. If anyone having small doubt, please take care. Check properly. So here major part this only. In this problem major part this only. In this problem major part is this only. Only one thing you have to take care. This problem everything okay. One place you have to take care. Which place? Let's see this one. I will repeat that point again. That is the major point. I will repeat that point again. Yeah, I will repeat that point. See this one. I will repeat that point. That point is this only. See this one. This is the point. This is the point. These two people, who is bigger? Everyone listen. This is the only point. Only debate is this. One side is n into log n whole power 9. One side is going to be n power, right? So 1 point, I think, 75. Who is bigger? This is the only thing which is required. So I think common things cancel. This is the only thing which required. Both common things cancel. So one side is log n whole power 9, right? One side is n power 0.75. Logarithmic polynomial bigger. That's it. This is the only discussion. Remaining all are okay. See, remaining all you can easily say. This is the only discussion. See, these two are already finalized. These two are already finalized. Now the thing is C and D. Who is bigger? C bigger. C bigger. So these are cancelled. Now further things are very easy. Who are the left out people? A and D. A and D. See, in the A, n power 0.33, but here n is there. N is there. It is n power 0.33. Here n is there. You may say that, you may say, see, is directly bigger. No more arguments further. D. Next one, last one is A. Right, like that. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, everyone. Right? Good night. Good night. Thanks, everyone. Good night.